Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make potato soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and 2 cups of milk. Don't forget 1 onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Having everything prepped and measured before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and creamy soup. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add your diced onion and celery, sautéing them until they are tender and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add your peeled and cubed potatoes to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of broth, ensuring the potatoes are mostly submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Once your potatoes are fork tender, typically after 15 to 20 minutes of simmering, it's time to create that wonderful creamy texture. Using a potato masher, gently mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. This helps thicken the soup naturally without needing extra flour. Finally, stir in 2 cups of milk and let it heat through, but do not boil. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your delicious homemade potato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and add your favorite garnishes. Fresh chives, crispy bacon bits, or a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese are all fantastic choices. Serve it hot with some crusty bread for a truly comforting and satisfying meal. For more great reads and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below. We hope you love this recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.